welcome back to my channel. So now we have completed the phase 1, visualization of numbers. So now let's get started with addition and subtraction. So let's get started. So friends, now let's start learning simple addition and subtraction. So first I'll set my abacus. First let's start simple addition. So first I will do 2 plus 2, which is 4. Now we will do some more problems on addition. So 1 plus 3, which is 4. 3 plus 1, which is also 4. Now let's start subtraction. So first we'll take 4 minus 2, which is 2. Now we will do 2 minus 1, which is 1. Now we will do 3 minus 1, which is also 2. That's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.